He is legit trying really hard to get that bird to play with him. And he is. He's treating it like he would treat Frankie. He's not like biting it. He's just like mouthing it. Watch. Give it a second. And the bird's probably going to try and make another break for it. See, if he was eating it or trying to kill it, he would be crunching down. But he's not. He's trying to play with it. Like it's a toy. You're like, hey man, wake up. I want to play. Come on. He's like, yeah, see, dude, just play with me. Play with me. Now's a good time to run for it, bird. And yes, I know some of you are going to be like, oh my god, it's terrible. You let him do that. No, part of his job is to keep critters like the rabbits that will get into my garden and the groundhogs that come in here and tear up my yard. And, you know, some of these birds that are just troublemakers, it's his job to keep them out of the yard. It's just, he wants this one to be his friend, I guess. I don't know. But I'm okay with him killing an invasive bird. And apparently having a lot of fun with it. So, I don't know.